Just started talking, we got down to the campus. Literally, the people trees and those little branches everywhere. So bigger, and I'm like, you know, I made entrance. Well, they're not going to copy it. It just all.
All rise, please, for the first conversation on planning and presiding.
Have a seat, folks. Who do you have, counsel?
Oh, yeah, he's a, oh, there he is.
That is one.
Morning, gentlemen. Counsel, your appearance.
I'm standing who stands to my right now, who say the record, Mike,
Thank you.
today's state, I will file a motion to set aside. There's no objection, and then we're gonna set that plea aside and then enter plea to the allowing this person to try and give you a little background.
Okay, I've got a note that he's got some motion here. It's coming up in July with Judge Patton.
Different city.
Different stuff,
Same exact thing, just different.
different file.
I've already got that one worked out.
Okay. Nothing we can handle today then. Okay.
Unless you want to pull the files and do it. They did work it out.
Well,
Is it Romulus or Van Buren?
Van Buren,
It was, as well.
Okay, Huron.
you're on. You don't have a written plea agreement though.
She didn't hand me one. We talked on Zoom. She put it. It's not a big deal.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So. Okay. You understand your rights after talking to counsel about your rights. You understand the options those rights give you. You understand the possible penalty of the allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied.
All right. And did you drive a vehicle on January 10, 2022 in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Okay. So how far did we get? All right. So he's already paid the money and everything else. So we're just going to correct the abstract.
Correct the abstract, Your Honor. He came and took care of this. He raised some other issues.
Yeah.
Just so you know, I have him in the sobriety court with Judge Han over the 19th.
Good, good.
He's working through that, and I wanted to fix these so that.
Yeah, so you can get his license. Yeah, yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
He thought he was helping himself out by wrapping certain things up and then ended up doing those.
Yeah. Well, he helped himself a little bit.
He helped a little bit, did a little more damage than he thought.
All right. Good luck in sobriety court.
Thank you very much. I have a great day.
You too. How about Jason Cruz? Mr. Cruz, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? All right. Looks like you met with the prosecutor and you're going to plead to fail to report, and we're going to dismiss fail to stop or identify. All right. So same possible penalty, except the original one has points. The new one doesn't. You understand that? All right. Did you read your rights? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And you understand the possible penalty? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on July 28, 2023?
Yes.
Were you involved in an accident?
Yes.
Did you report the accident as required by law?
Got the thing when we work, when the days.
Okay. Who'd you report the accident to? No, that was the question. Did you report the accident to the police as required? Okay, I can accept your plea. All right. Anything else you want me to know? You working?
No, I'm so scared.
Okay. Now, we got late fees and penalties on this one. What's going on here? All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, sir.
Fines that cost $500. Pay it today? Go downstairs and they'll tell you all your payment options. All right. Good luck. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Is it Goggins? Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
And did you read your rights for me? You understand those rights? You understand the options those rights present to you? Looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor to plead to no valid operator's license on person. You understand the possible penalty? And you understand that when that hits your record, Secretary of State might resuspend you, because that's going to tell Secretary of State that you were driving on April 8th. You understand that? So if you're in the middle of a suspension, they might extend the time period on it. It doesn't have points like drove while license suspended does, but it could still hurt you on your license. Do you understand that? You do now. I mean, when I explain it, you understand that. Okay, all right. I can let you go back and talk to the prosecutor and see if you can convince the prosecutor to give you another deal that wouldn't have that impact. So I don't know if you were paying attention, but the attorney that was up here, what he pled his client to was allowing an unlicensed driver to operate the vehicle. The unlicensed person happened to be you, but that doesn't tell the Secretary of State that you were driving when you weren't supposed to. You follow me?
Yeah, they were.
Go back and talk to the prosecutor. Brian Straight. Mr. Straight, are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let's see what we got. We got a couple different files and we got some paperwork. Let's see what we got. That's all. Okay, so from June 2020, we've got two misdemeanors: drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied, and failed to stop or identify after a property damage accident. The prosecutor says that you're going to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate and fail to report. That's your deal? And did you read your rights? You understand your rights and the options they give you? And you understand the possible penalty for the added charges? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right, so back to that date, were you driving in Van Buren Township? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? That was on February 14, 2017, two different incident dates. I missed that. All right, okay, I'll accept your plea on the allow and dismiss the drove while license suspended. On the June date, 2020, June 4th, were you driving in Romulus? Were you involved in an accident? Did you report the accident as required? I'll accept your plea on that. All right, both original charges will be dismissed. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? How long you been there?
Spider Fix, well, maintenance manager, actually a year, 16.
Okay. Full time, right? All right, and on top of these three, we've got a civil infraction, failure to stop assured clear distance from that June 4th, 2020 date. That one shows $448. Are you in a position to get some payment plans set up on all this? All right. Mr. Straight, is there anything you want me to consider before I sentence you on these files?
Yeah, the fires would be great. I think we have a lot of things covered.
Okay.
Right now, she's
Okay, Heather. I don't know how we got to this, but the drove while license suspended that they just bargained on, he was sentenced on September 18, 2019.
Because he does have a Romulus drove license suspended. Are you finding that one? Because he has an A, B, and C Romulus.
Nope. Oh, hold on. Oh, stuck together. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. So the Van Buren one, he's here for the money.
Everything's.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't, these was on the front.
I don't know if it's the same one or not.
What did we, the two on the together left?
Allow. Yeah, same information. Okay. All right, Mr. Straight, on the fail to stop or identify, that is now a fail to report. Fines a cost $450. That includes a warrant fee of 50 and a late fee of 50. On the allow unlicensed driver to operate, fines a cost $550. That includes a $50 late fee and $50 warrant fee. And I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run the program, currently we run the program 6 days a week. You pick which 4 days. Those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Add the money from today to what you already owe us, which is $1,700 plus. You're up to $2,763.60. So I'm going to send you downstairs to talk about all your different payment options. We've got some options where you can work some of that money off, either with work program, community service, combination.
Do the work like this on the weekends?
We're currently running 6 days a week, so we do have Saturdays available. All right. Questions? Go downstairs and get your options. Good luck.
Over just the money, over these money funds.
Thank you. Counselor, are you ready on Flores Montez? Good morning.
Morning, Judge. How are you today?
Wonderful.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
You look at P 64917 on behalf of the defendant. States my love. You're here to the benefit of the Spanish interpreter.
What's your name, sir? Cigar? Santiago.
It's so weird.
Okay. Did I get it close, Santiago? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English and Spanish so we can all discuss this matter? All right. So counsel, if I understand correctly, we're going to dismiss all 3 of the original charges.
That is correct, Your Honor. The defendant then is pleading responsible on added count of double or in pre-run fines and possibly 2 millions.
There's already. She's not, she should say that. Thank you.
Did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights? And are you going to plead responsible to double parking? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? And have you agreed to pay $200? And you can do that today. I will dismiss all 3 of the original charges from March 8th. Any questions? You're all set. Thanks for your help. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll do that on the B ticket, Heather.
Oh, that was the first time that's ever happened. Usually they wait. I mean, he did it.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
It went very quickly.
I noticed that when we were in the room as well.
Yeah, he was very quick.
All right, how about, is it Primus or Primus?
Your Honor, I've put this put on the record. I've got 2 cases up for debate that I've been speaking with Mr. Hadley specifically about the Operation Drive program. I think I've got 2 good candidates for that program. I'm not quite sure how you'd like to do that, though, in terms of getting them referred to that program, or if you're okay.
We haven't even talked about that. And how's that one?
So,
I don't have a clue how none of that.
and
We have.
All I know is Ed Patton's starting the program.
speaking with Attorney Hadley, he requested, so he's going to be handling the program, and I've got this from Judge Martin a little bit earlier this week. As long as there's a pretrial date with Judge Martin and we designate somehow on the file that it's Operation Drive. That's what my understanding is. It might be completely wrong.
Okay,
That's what we're looking to do.
let's find out.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I've got another case about Mr. Rocker.
We got a date?
So it would have to be with Judge Martin for Rockets.
Right, and that's who it's going to next.
Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that that would be okay with the operation. Stop as far as.
It's on her docket.
Yeah.
So that was
So what's that date?
I'm good for
August 14th or September 1st?
September 1st.
Time?
Do 9:50.
950 work?
We'll make it work.
Okay. You can just have a seat, sir. We'll get you a notice. Ali Saeed.
Good morning, St. Helens, 64917, here today. On behalf of the defendant, Sheikh Ali, who's on the left there, it's out there. On the side.
Thank you.
Last year, ran away from leading, pleading not guilty of it. For any else agreement, this is the original criminal charge, you understand, the defendant pleads guilty, or she be responsible for double parking. 3 times cost $150, I've been authorized to accept that plea with the defense.
Thank you. Can you pay that today, sir?
All of it's tomorrow.
You want to pay, just come back tomorrow and pay it all? You can. There's a fee for that because we're running plastic. Okay. All right. That's your due date tomorrow, 3 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor, appreciate it.
Have a good day, sir. Rucker.
Morning, St. Helens, Southern, my left, Mr. Director, please tell the judge I'm in.
Operation Drive.
Cause arraignment pre-trial, as it relates to arraignment waiver, if you get arraignment waiver, that's, of course. Your Honor, this is another case we're trying to get him referred into the Operation Drive. Program.
Yep.
Speaking of the defendant, he's got a couple outstanding matters, could absolutely benefit from that program. And I believe I'm good on whatever.
Okay.
9/1 pre-trial date.
September 1 work? All right. We'll do it at 950. All right. Mr. Rucker, you owe us money on other stuff. Do you have a payment plan? All right. So we've got no insurance and registration or plate charges from Romulus. Shows a total of 470. Can you set up some kind of payment plan or get something working on those? Not unless you set aside the default. But if you go downstairs, we can talk about all your payment options. But don't go downstairs yet. We're gonna get you notice for that September 1 date. James Hawthorne. Are you going forward without an attorney?
Yes.
All right. You met with the prosecutor?
Yes.
Says you're going to plead guilty to a misdemeanor charge from February 13, 26, and we're going to dismiss a civil infraction. Is that correct? Did you read your rights? You understand those rights? Understand the options they give you? Understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of this we've talked about, are you pleading guilty to the misdemeanor freely and voluntarily today? Did you come in contact with Romulus PD on February 13? Did you have something in your possession that you should not have had? What did you have? And that wasn't your grandfather's corn cob for smoking tobacco? All right. I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the civil infraction. What are you up to? You working?
He runs a tree service, so.
Okay. All right. You guys pretty busy this time of year, I assume? Yeah, good. All right. What else should I consider before I sentence you? Okay. No magic answer. I just want to give you a chance to talk if there's something you want me to know. And the prosecutor recommended a 6-month delayed sentence. I'll go along with that. All right, for 6 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500, and I'm ordering 2 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you work. Go downstairs, make arrangements to pay, schedule your work days, stay out of trouble for 6 months. This goes away. It doesn't stay on your record. Got it? No questions? You sure? Have a great day. Burris?
Yes, sir.
Burris, come on up. Are you going forward without an attorney today, sir? You've talked to the prosecutor? All right, let's see what the prosecutor sent me. All right, the prosecutor sent in a piece of paper that says you're going to plead guilty to 1 original charge, the possession of paraphernalia, 1 new charge, no operator's license on person, And I'm going to dismiss the two originals, drove while license suspended and the civil infraction speeding. Is that your deal? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for these charges? You understand if you plead guilty today to no valid operator's license on person, it is going to go on your record with Secretary of State, and that could trigger a suspension. You understand that? All right. And understanding all of this, are you still moving forward with the deal? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 8, 2026 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. I'll accept your plea to the no operator's license on person. Dismiss the DWLS drove while license suspended. On that date, did you have something in your possession you should not have had? What'd you have? No. Don't tell me what they said. What did you have? Okay. Was it a crack pipe in your truck? Okay. Go ahead.
I give people rides to work. I don't get out of my truck and then go through my truck and check to make sure everything.
Yeah.
So when he said, when he found it, all that my person back being the driver of the truck.
Yeah.
I am the one who's responsible.
You understand that?
I understood that.
No good deed goes unpunished. Yeah. All right. Where do you work at, sir?
I work on Harrison and Romulus.
Mhm. Yep. Okay. Full time. Good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No,
No magic answer. Just giving you a chance to talk.
well, after that, private did this, I was going to get the grade for wife's medicine. That was it. And I don't know, I understand that I didn't have a license, but she's been rendered disabled and she's not able to drive. She's not allowed to drive.
Okay.
Someone has to go and get it.
Yeah. What's going on with your license? What do you got to do?
I've paid everything on my license to get my license back. This has been years and I have been fighting and she said there's a few and the best on my license, but is they haven't dropped them.
Okay.
Everything's been paid and it's been years since I paid it, but it's still showing.
Well, there are some charges, even though you pay them, the suspension's still there.
Okay,
So hold on. For example, you can come to me, the court, pay my fines and costs, but if you still owe a reinstatement fee to Secretary of State, they won't put your license back on.
I paid on my rate.
Okay.
That's the thing.
You got to go back to see him then. Yeah.
I paid.
Yeah.
I'm just, and when I go to get my license, they said somebody go pay for piano, and I'm like, what are you? I don't.
A what?
Carolina.
What, they say something about a what? Okay. Were you originally suspended for drinking and driving?
No, I never give you all my license, ever. Ever.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's the thing, I don't understand why I did
Yeah.
that. So that's what me and my wife.
Here's what I would suggest. Talk to one of our attorneys out here and tell them you want a licensed restoration expert. And they'll refer you to an attorney that does a lot of licensed restorations. My experience with those attorneys are they'll talk to you for nothing. Okay? Or, make an appointment, give you some advice. What you're gonna have to do is go get your printout from Secretary of State, take it to that attorney and let them interpret it and tell you where you're at.
Right.
Right?
That's one thing I did do when I tried to get it back, I went and got a printout of everything that I.
Right. Right. But you got to take it to a licensed restoration expert. So you're going to get the information from Secretary of State. You're going to take that information to him so he or her, so they can interpret it and tell you where you're at.
Oh,
All right.
thank you very much.
You're welcome very much.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right. So on the possession charge, I'm going to delay sentence for 6 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I'll reward your altruistic nature. I'm not going to get you as hard as I normally do on this. On that one, it's just going to be $200.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. Don't thank me yet. I'm not done. All right. On the no operator's license on person, that one's $500 and 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you want to work. We run it 6 days a week. So you pick the schedule and then you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Got that?
Started doing, I worked from 6 to 4.
What days do you work?
6 days.
You're gonna have to take some days off, but we'll let you spread them out. You don't have to do them today, right? You can schedule.
Oh.
Right. All right. As far as the money, go downstairs, talk about your options down there. Get it paid or get a plan to get it paid.
Oh.
Got it? Good luck.
Do I need?
This gentleman needs a reference or referral for a licensed restoration expert. Would you be able to provide a name?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I covered.
Sorry. Okay, Jamie. I've got a plea agreement here for Goggins.
That, you already should have the file in front of you. You sent them back to the prosecutor. Might be-
Oh, that's the one up here. Yep. All right. Okay. All right, Harris, Tasha Harris. Good morning, Mr. Bowditch.
Morning, Robert. Fort Rick, Jim Bowden, 45367, hearing on behalf of and Ms. Erickson, man.
Good morning, ma'am.
Any time set for arraignment in this matter, we wait for grievance and you. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We have executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In this agreement, Ms. Harris will be pleading guilty to an ad count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle with the understanding the original charge would be dismissed. Ms. Harris, the good news is she has her license.
Wonderful. Good. All right. Did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Belleville on March 22nd? At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied? I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge. So where do you work? I can't read that. How long you been there? Okay, and you got your license back. Anything else you want me to consider? All right, on the fines and costs, $550. I'm ordering 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which schedule or which days you work, pick your own schedule. You also owe us $445 on an equipment violation and a fail to stop with assured clear distance civil infraction. Are you on a payment plan now?
No.
Can you get on a payment plan? Say it again.
They would like my license plate.
Did you do it? Did you do it? With? Okay, that,
See anybody, I have to wait.
okay, because I'm gonna guess because when you brought it in, it was past the 14 days. All right, can you pull up the ROA on that? It's the A ticket.
Why would my license is? What is for that?
Harris.
Are we working on, is it Tasha Elizabeth, Tasha Monique, Tasha Nicole?
No.
Nicole. There's that many Tashas out there?
No, it's not very.
No. There's 3 different Tasha Harrises, again, it's the same, come on.
You should go to appear on May 23rd. That is when she was supposed to be bringing it. Today's a show cause, but you got to appear for me.
Okay,
She was told to bring the ticket and then probably, and she got.
okay.
I was glad I worked with days of meeting, and I came to get in the late, so I had to wait.
What was May 21?
One was her arraignment pre-trial.
That was like a month and a half later.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but you failed to appear for your court date on May 21.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, well, you came in within the 14 days, they gave you a court date, you missed your court date, so that means your civil infraction went into default. Because you missed your court date.
But if I had 14 days for the court date, what does the court date have to do with that?
Because that was what happened when you showed up. They told you to come back on a certain date and you didn't. So. All right, But I don't understand why they wouldn't just let her get it waived when she came in, except the door thing.
That May 21st. We don't know. We don't know when she walked in the door after with her piece of paper.
What was wrong? What was the issue? A light?
There's two lights on my license plate, one light.
Yeah. Did you take it somewhere to get it fixed? You got paperwork on it?
Give that sign up ticket.
Did anybody sign off the ticket? Okay, find your receipt. If your receipt was within the first 14 days from the ticket, then I'll waive that money. All right. All right, so for now, go downstairs, get your workday scheduled, set up some kind of payment plan on the money. The $200, if you can document to me that it was done within the 14 days, I'll waive the 200. All right, but take your time. I'm here all morning. Don't rush with it. Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on Chandler? Is it Norad? How do you say it? Norad, come on up. Go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jerry Badge. Ma'am, could you tell the judge your name for that?
No, they're Lori.
Thank you.
Your Honor, please be time set for breaking in this matter, wait for reading, stand mute. Also have a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. You have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Woodruff pleaded guilty to the account of being a disorderly person, being loud, with the understanding the original charge was.
Thank you. Ma'am, did you understand your rights and options after talking to Mr. Bowditch? And you understand the possible penalty for disorderly person? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Did you have some open intoxicants in a vehicle on April 1, 2026 in Romulus?
Yeah.
I'll accept your plea. What should I know about the nice lady?
It was, there were no alcohol tests taken on that day. There was no drunk driving, no accident, no nothing. I think the young man was picked up for a tail light or something.
Okay, all right. Ma'am, I'm gonna dismiss the original charge on the disorderly person fines. It costs $250. I'll send you downstairs to either pay it or talk about your options to get it paid. Any questions? All right.
Thank you, Ron.
Counsel on Albua?
Ready, Your Honor.
Hold on, just stay right where you're at. Just an adjournment?
I'll be my on the rain.
Oh, okay, come on up. Your appearance, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Deborah Wilson, P56, on behalf of the defendants of Bella Bula, who's to my left.
Thank you. Would you waive formal reading?
Yes, we render not guilty. On behalf.
Done. Belleville, when are we gonna bring her back?
July 16th, 10 a.m. on Zoom, Judge Martin.
That work?
July 16th.
Yes.
10 a.m. Zoom with Judge Martin.
David.
All right. You're not gonna talk me out of a personal bond, are you, counsel?
No.
All right. Ma'am, are you working? Where do you work?
Behavior health at West Plainfield.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. First one, stay out of trouble. The second one, show up for your court date on Zoom. Third condition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance. Can you do all that? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you violate bond? Questions? Have a seat, we'll get you notice. Mr. Bowditch, you ready on Palmer?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Florida, 6-7, hearing on behalf of Mr. Palmer, sir. Would you tell Judge your name correctly?
John Palmer.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for the arraignment in this matter, wait for reading and stand mute. You also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. You have executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, this respondent will be pleading guilty, pleading responsible to an added count of double parking with an agreed assessed upon fine of $250, with the understanding the original charge from 9 years ago would be dismissed.
All right. Is that the way you want to handle it? Okay. June 23rd. Okay.
Speak exam here.
So you got an exam next week on another charge. You know about that one? Okay. Can you pay the $250 today? All right. Go downstairs, get a smile from the cashier, and we'll get you on your way. You're welcome.
I have Mr. Cole, Your Honor, just adjourned.
I've got him. Mr. Cole, just sit right there. Sit right there. I'm gonna yell at you. We're gonna get you a notice for this adjournment, but in the meantime, you owe us money on other stuff. Do you have a payment plan?
But I'm scared to take care of.
710. Can you pay it or you need a payment plan?
Look,
Yeah. Get something set up before you leave today. Got it? Just wait there. We'll get you a notice.
Yeah, we're looking at September 1st on that.
Okay.
Darian Root? Mr. Root, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Sir.
You met with the prosecutor?
Sir.
Let's see what we got. I have no idea what this is. Any idea what that says? That's supposed to be.
AWLS or something?
So you wanted to drop the driving while license suspended?
Unlicensed drivers.
Or put it down to allowing someone to drive with a license?
Yeah, do you know what you're talking about? It's
Yeah, I know what he's trying to do, but AWLS don't get me there.
a licensed,
It's AUDO,
no.
allow unlicensed driver to operate.
That's what we usually do, but he wants you to do, allow a suspended person to operate.
How do you get that out of AWLS?
But
And
that's
what's the difference between the two?
one, I think, has points and AUDO doesn't. That's somehow it's sent to Secretary of State differently. The suspended isn't.
All right, Grandpa was right. Learn something new every day. So you know what,
Yes, I know what.
okay. So you read your rights?
Yes, sir.
You understand all those? You understand the options I give you?
Sir.
All right, so you understand the possible penalty for this new charge? Well, what the hell's the difference then?
So he basically explained it.
If it's gonna be points,
You can do this right here.
what are we trying to do?
Sorry,
I don't know if
I
we
heard,
do have-
Yeah, thanks.
heard the matter coming up. Smart court, anyway.
No, it's all right.
We're deciding to plead this down to allowing,
So it is.
Allowing unlicensed driver to operate,
yeah,
the 0 point. Okay, AUDO,
oh, it's a.
AU, allow unlicensed driver to operate.
All right,
Sorry, that's all right.
I heard it coming up on Zoom.
Yeah, that confused the hell out of me. Okay, so this is 0 points and it shouldn't affect your driving. Okay, that's what you want to do,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay.
Right, check or no?
No, that's all right. As long as I know what we're trying to do and she can dispo it.
I'll,
You're fine. You're fine. All right. Mr. Root, did you drive a vehicle in Belleville on March 13, 2022, an old one? All right. And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now?
So I'm actually currently getting it, so I've been dealing with this more, so I'm ready to go get it.
This is the only thing holding you up?
Yeah, that's.
Awesome.
I got taken care of.
Got them all cleared up.
Yes.
Are you working?
Working at Mission Hospital.
What do you do?
So I work with the supply chain analysts. We rebuild the rooms for the nurses with all the,
Okay. How long you been there?
amount of years, sir.
Yeah, good benefits there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You gonna go back to school? Cause school is cheap.
So I want to go get a change, sir.
Okay. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking electrician, but I'm not sure. Yes, sir.
All right. All right. I haven't done it yet today, so you're gonna be the first, Mr. Root. All right, you got late fees on this file, so it's a $600 fines and costs, 4 days on the work program. That's my standard. The work program is an alternative to jail. We run the program 6 days a week. You pick which 4 days you work. All right. But because you're so close with your license, I'm going to give you 30 days to pay that $600 or show me your license. So literally, I'm going to pay you $600 to go get your license and bring it back and show me. Got it? You sure? Okay. Where'd you learn to yes or no, sir, so much?
Oh, I was raised right, sir.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah.
You go out and call somebody and say thank you.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, I try to make her proud, sir.
It makes a difference. All right, so go downstairs, schedule your 4 days, and then get that license wrapped up and come back and see us.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, good luck. Good luck with trade school too.
Thank you, sir.
Diamond Turner. Good morning, council.
May it please Honorable Court Attorney Phyllis Gay Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Ms. Turner. Ms. Turner, please state your full name for the record.
Diamond Turner.
She kind of like, looks like the cat that ate the canary. She got that smile on her face. She knows what's coming.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I dismiss this? It's okay if I dismiss this? Okay, go have a nice day. Thank you, Constance.
Thank you very much.
All right. That's it for now.
Right.
Are you slowing down? Jamie?
Oh. You know if that's his name. What's your last name? Cole. You still Cole up there?
Yeah, we're adjourning it.
Yeah, we're just waiting for notice, I think.
Well, I go see Danielle yesterday, and I hate going after work because it's that last part of her day. She was all alone. She barred there to that.
They're so busy in there.
Said she lost 2 workers again, so she there. Boy, this young kid was it. He's next. I got 2 in front of me, but I gotta sits down and he's going by this, that, and Danielle's like, okay, and he's, she's like, well, what do you know? It's what you like. And I can see in Danielle's eyes. I don't know, blah, blah, blah. So she cuts his hair. How do you like? He goes, excuse me. He goes, can you
Forget
forget?
it. Can't see the warrant stop back.
She goes, I beg your pardon. She goes, he goes, can you drive like Cable drives? She goes, I usually don't do this. And you see, it's the end of the day. I got 3 other people waiting. She goes, do it quite quick for you, but I remind you, I don't usually do this. I just don't know where this kid was at with this head. He's like, oh, okay, well, thank you. She's just looking around. Are you serious? I'm like, I guess this would be one of those on-demand generators.
Yeah.
Wanted everything right there. Had me laughing. So when she was done with my hair, I said, I do have a request, Danielle. And she didn't catch on there. I said, can you blow dry? She was like, you get out of here.
And was his hair any longer than yours?
It was not a big mop or anything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Just had a little bit up top. And he says, can you blow dry? And she goes, you know, 'cause she's a barber. She's not a hair.
Yeah. I'm surprised you did, because,
She did her.
yeah.
She's like, she goes, I kind of feel bad. I was kind of a little firm with him. I says, no, you did pretty good. Yeah, she stays incredibly busy.
Oh, it's nuts. Every time I'm in there, she's packed.
I mean, it's nice to make money, you know, but can't get a breather in between. And I hate going there at the end of the day because I'm the one getting them looks.
Yeah.
I mean, she's always nice to me, polite, but I can see she's wore out. I always, hey, go ahead and take a 10-minute break. She goes, no, go ahead and finish up. Every once in a while when I go in,
Chinese in here. Too. They had a find the attorneys information. They have them in the files and stuff.
every blue moon I go into Danielle's and I see Heather.
Every little moon.
Yeah. And she tries to hide.
Yeah.
You-
I agree.
you-
One for you, one for her, so.
Thank
That's
you.
your dates and times. You guys have a good day.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mr. Coleman, experience. There's a domain. Okay.
Judge, where'd you get all those beanie babies from? My sister.
Oh, did you bring them in?
I mean, there's a lot of them in there. Now,
That's after all the kids went through.
I might pluck one out of the one,
Feel free.
my one daughter who loves. Just her definition of cute is cute, fine, so I don't, know what I mean?
Take a picture of the box and say, off the top.
Oh, no, I'll be grabbing 40 of those if I took a picture. Oh, I get that one, that one. Thank you.
Hello. Hey, would you do me a favor and reach out to Paula and let her know the Beanie Babies are on site? She can either wait until she comes in next time or come in special trip, whatever she wants to do. Okay, thanks. So do you know, you guys know Paula Ashton from Recovery Court,
From where?
the Recovery Court, which used to be sobriety court? Yeah, she's a little skinny one. She's always got a great big smile on her face.
Sorry, yes.
Yeah, so she's coming to get those Beanie Babies. I don't know if she's just gonna wait until next time she's scheduled or make a special trip. So if we just tell the guys.
And to be honest, if she don't pick up today, maybe I'll just throw them in behind security there and just wait for it.
Okay, okay, thanks. Yeah, I know.
Let's Tuesday.
And I asked Brett, so that the only option is,
Yeah, I'm not.
some white.
I'm seriously, I'm ready to go to Toys R Us and buy a kid's microphone, which is that right there, just amplify things.
That's fine. They said Toys R Us. Did you know Toys R Us is back in Macy's? I think it's in Macy's.
Really? And just about ready to pull the trigger. I keep hearing about this thing on the radio called incognito or something like that. It's a service you pay. It's a subscription. I think it's a monthly fee,
Mhm.
and they like scrub your information off the internet.
Oh, okay, yep, yep.
And it's supposed to stop, scam emails and or at least greatly to do some
Yes.
phone calls, the whole 9 yards. And I'm not kidding you. Both times we were on the bench yesterday, I went back, I had 30 plus emails on my computer just get rid of because they were all junk.
So they were all junk, most of them. And I forgot tomorrow is a holiday, otherwise I would have asked for somebody to come up here to do my nuts again, so I can get it done now.
Well, you could always call down there and see if anybody's.
There-
Wow.
No, that she wouldn't be able to come up, because I think she cashier. But, and.
And my account takes off. Anyway.
So I wonder how is this driving part and, I mean,
I don't know anything about
but I know it's even on our website.
what's on our website.
About
Oh.
that. It looks like Celia's is gonna be on her own on July 9th, but in the fall, her and that Joey person are gonna come.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Well. Only one person here.
Yeah. Um,
Message, but.
Celia? Yeah, actually, she's on my email right now.
Yeah, just ask her, she wants to have, lunch with the staff on the 9th at noon.
Well, and is, if she does, is Pete's okay? Then we'll just all go in the jury assembly room or something.
Oh, we can spend enough provisions and things. This is you can have it done. Money. You have the paperwork?
Huh?
You have the paperwork?
No, me and the attorney were gonna exit to, the citizens that he,
Okay. And what was your name again?
Tasha Harris.
Probably got a receipt.
No.
No.
How do we work the program? Like, the probation can't find it. Alright, bye. She was like, she talked to the condition right from.
That was Jeff or?
Yeah.
Yeah. You were going great.
Does he need to be here for me to ask the question?
That's up to you.
No, the alternatives of the word over and days.
Gail. Very, very seldom. Very seldom. What's the problem with doing the work program?
Six days a week, short staff, so it's not hard for me to schedule around my work schedule. If I work 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. work programs. 8 a.m.
Still got her file. You work Monday through Saturday? Where's the one in Romulus?
Oh, you're on e-course, right? The DaVita or dialysis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you do 30 hours community service. That means charity work. So you can go down and get a list of our organizations that are pre-approved or just find it on your own, but it's got to be an IRS registered nonprofit. Church, Soup Kitchen, Salvation Army. All right, official letterhead from them that says you've done the hours. You don't have to do them all at one place. You can pick 10 places. I don't care. But the letterhead, official letterheads have to show that you've done hours. Those hours have to equal 30 hours, and I'll give you until August 1. You're welcome. No, you're all set. Unless you want their list. If you want their list of agencies, go down to the probation window. You're welcome so much. Silliest last comment. Be back in a minute. I have to go feed my pet rock.
You know the rates, Chuck?
I am.
Wow, so you like them or you?
That's. Who's doing them? Ruthie?
Yes. Bags, because nothing started.
I was just thinking this. Does this one ring a bell?
Yes.
He's a freak one, isn't he?
No,
Oh, same last name, different first.
yes, there it is. Oh. Yeah, Jason. Hines. Who's that person?
First name's Randolph. No. Hold on.
Not the victim, who's the defendant?
Oh, Randolph.
I was just making sure it wasn't the other one.
Mhm. Any idea who our in-house is today for arraignments? She says, we have 3 pet rocks in our clinic. We built a little house for them. Can you tell I have a very busy job? Are you gonna cave? I'll go down and get you one.
Yes,
What kind you want?
I need it toasted or no.
A toaster up here.
Microwave, oh, that's true, but I need cream cheese, please,
Yeah.
if they have a cheese one.
You want a cheese, like the Asiago cheese?
Yeah, yes, please,
And just straight cream cheese.
yes.
But you want to run it through the toaster too?
I'll run it up here like you said, we have them up here, thank you. Yeah. Um, Uh, yeah, cinnamon's good. So there's no like plain or anything? So just do cinnamon, but no cream cheese. I'll just do that with butter. No. Alright, fine. Let me make you co-host and have people down. He's out here. If you don't mind. I'm trying to figure out where I'm. Oh, okay. Thanks. Who's our MIDC? Okay, fine.
Yeah, just sit.
No, I'm good.
Morning.
I'm good.
Judge, how are you?
I'm good with you figuring it out.
All right.
Yeah. Well, let me see what type of charges they are. We don't, all right. It's scheduled for regular church call, but we don't even, because our clock starts that day that we bring, so. So, yeah, our judges think it's a drug diet or like,
No fine wine till it's time.
That sounds even better.
Yes.
Want everyone to know that, Mr.
All right.
How are you today, Mr. Bowditch?
You better find your calendar to be all right.
Hi. You doing better?
Oh, well, yeah. He got in some.
You got what? You got you some food? Felt bad you didn't.
Well, he came.
Well, he knows you.
Um,
Wait.
Well, my guy,
Yeah.
isn't it?
when did you want? August 14th or September 1st, and it's gonna be by Zoom, for your switching to a different job.
On the top.
Correct. August 14th or September 1st. That could be,
It is.
because I know she added a big, I guess, you're just so full. First of all, Tuesday. And or I have to go which day, September. September 1st,
No, so you say for sure always.
on that Friday, yes.
Yeah. And at least it's some.
Yeah, and it'll be at 2:50 in the morning. Yeah, yeah. Well, what do you think of the week?
Yes, sir. Heather, a couple minutes, you think, for the judge? He wants to know if he wants to go throw down in a few more.
There's one.
Well, nice talking to you.
That's the last thing.
It could be 30 seconds, it could be 2 minutes. But I got you right here,
Chair.
my man.
And she's got clients in the memory. Yeah, yeah. We're going when I'm so we're good with that. Have a great day.
I'm not gonna be too worked out, man. I just wanted to move that.
Thank you.
You're getting a little anxious right now? I can smell them. Jordan, hole, it's right now, right? No, you already did
I
that.
don't know what's that.
Hole, we already did that.
Yeah, so that's how it could be.
That's for this, that's for your records.
My piece of paper. Thank you, sir.
Well. Oh, yeah, if you go in your office right now, you would not. Your nose, would go-
Along with that.
your nose would go nuts. Your husband? Give it to me margaritas last night. You think first it was good?
I think so too. She has the back piece of this on. She has the back piece of the cell phone. She does. That's it. I didn't know that. Yeah.
It's behind me.
Look at this. I haven't seen that smile. Got a little toasty. Judge, I haven't seen that smile like that in a long time.
Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on Carter?
John, for the record, we have about 4, 5, 6, 7, hearing on the address. And with Mr. Carter, sir, could you tell me your name for the?
Thank you.
Your ownership is Dave Bannister, great in the we wait for him reading and standing here. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Carter will be pleading guilty to an act count. But we will be pleading guilty to the count of being a disorderly person.
Yep.
The matter, will be taken up to 771 for a period of 3 months. And the charge of obstruction would be dismissed.
3 months?
3 months, 90 days.
All right. Mr. Carter, you understand your rights and the options those rights give you? And you understand the possible penalty for disorderly person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Tell me what happened. This would have been on May 19, 2020 in the city of Romulus. Satisfied, counsel?
Not satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll dismiss the obstruction. What should I know about Mr. Carter?
Well, Your Honor, this is a old case. I don't think that Carter's had any history since then.
All right. You're working, sir? When's the last time you had a job? Where were you at?
2 months ago, I was working in paper.
Who were you working for? How long had you been with them?
8 months.
Okay, all right. So I'm assuming you're looking. All right, so before you get out of the building, you want to talk to Avery Taylor, see if he knows any jobs in the area. You're a local guy in Inkster, so he might have something that works for you. All right, anything else you want me to know, sir? All right. Right now, I'm assuming you've got more time on your hands than money? All right, 3 months, stay out of trouble, no new offenses. I'm not gonna give you any money. I'm just gonna do 5 days on the work program. So go down and schedule the days, bang those days out. You're done with us, just stay out of trouble. All right, good luck. Is it Hazim? Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Come on up.
Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Justice, I'm hearing on behalf of Mr. Azimi, sir. Judge, what name for the record, please?
Ali Azim.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for arraignment in this matter, a full reading and standing. You also have a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. In this matter, Azimi wishes to be responsible to the civil infraction of careless driving with the understanding that the misdemeanor would be dismissed.
Correct? All right, I'll accept the plea. What are you up to? You working, school? What are you doing? Where do you work?
Longer, cover.
Okay. Who do you work for?
I was one of my boys, one of my friends, is dead.
Okay. All right. All right, fines that cost $200. Can you pay it today?
Good, I finally got,
Okay. Tomorrow? When you, tell me when.
pay it tomorrow.
Okay.
By the end of the week.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, 3 p.m. No, we're closed tomorrow. I did that to somebody else today. Did you catch it?
Yeah, online anytime.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You want to, if you pay it online, it's going to cost you a little extra. So I'll give you until 26th. All right, you're all set. Magana Okoa?
Your Honor, for the record, you have filed a period on behalf of Mr. Magana Ochoa. So could you tell the judge your name, for the record, please?
Fernando Magana.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's
do it on the stop sign.
For the arraignment in this matter, way of also had a chance to pre-try this plea agreement in which Mr. Magana Ochoa will be pleading responsible to double parking with an agreed assessed upon fine.
All right, is that the deal? That's the way you want to do it? You got the $200 today?
I can pay tomorrow, but I think you can close tomorrow, I can do it Monday.
Monday by 3?
Yep.
All set. When we get that money, we'll dismiss all these charges.
Already, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Enjoy your weekend.
Who did you have?
Wasn't him, right?
No.
Right, he's working it out, bring for the insurance, going to just come forward to see.
Yeah.
When you told that, it almost caramelizes.
Yeah. And that cinnamon's molten when you take it out of there. Oh, Mackenzie's doing the Raymond's.
Yeah,
Okay.
and if you jump down, I feel like that.
When were they supposed to do it? 10:45 or 10:30?
About 2:30.
You're waiting for your attorney to come in? You too?
Mhm. Oh, really? Hmm.
Heather, can you hear me?
I live in here, I don't know what to say.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
All right.
If this is just a dismissal, I don't need to know anything on that. All right. Just gonna get him out.
Thank you.
Mr. Bowditch, oh,
He said he didn't need to be.
oh, okay, Mr. Mathis, I'm assuming you're okay if I dismiss this matter?
Sure.
This is a charge from February 3rd, 26. You don't have a cash bond on that file, do you?
No.
You're good to go.
Sure.
You're welcome. They were burning them through so good this morning, and I was just like,
How it goes.
when's your last pretrial scheduled, Helen?
But we have, what?
Quite a bit, yeah.
Do we have what? What'd you say? Do we have what?
9 o'clock, and I asked if there were a lot of people, and he said, yeah. Chunky is our,
Arraignments? You know if he's talked to anybody yet? He's come in.
Good morning, Mr. Shumke. We're just waiting on Romulus and Van Buren to join with the defendants, and then I'll put you in their breakout room.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, so somebody here be talking about incognito says it's well worth it.
oh, really?
Who you got?
Bryant, strict dismissal.
First name Perrin, but, all right, you know where they're at? Oh,
They're
okay,
deceased.
I guess we can let the money go too.
Yeah, you're right.
By taking care of those people. Thank you.
Did you see the picture of the pet rocks that you were sent?
Mhm. Oh, oh my gosh. No, video they have to. Oh, that's one. That's one.
No one else is there.
Oh, he's down there. He's taking on the computer. Right there. Yeah, bless you.
Is They
Looking at this refrigerator.
they must be like the new version of that rocks.
Yes, because I just.
Real ones were real rocks, you can play them 2 times on.
Yeah.
Plastic or something.
Fine.
All right, I'm gonna go do, oh, go home now. No. Why do we have Angela on Zoom?
She jumps in just so if she hears you saying, hey,
Oh.
Angela, do we need this? And I told Zach to do the same thing. If he heard you, that's why he was able to run in.
Yeah, makes sense. Good morning. Morning, Council. Give me a name, Jamie, I'll pull one. Jones?
Yep.
Jones,
And Ashton.
Nice.
Mr. Keelan. Keep your side my name on.
That's right.
I'm doing it right now, my bad.
That's right. I am ready on Jones.
So. Good morning, Your Honor. So PMP 64917 appearing today on behalf of this gentleman who approached me from out this gentleman gets other than.
Ashley Jones.
Thank you.
City attorney has agreed to dismiss the originals with the understanding the defendant would be guilty of a vehicle. Judge, she has a valid license.
Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, Ms. Jones, you understand your rights? Understand the options I give you?
Yeah.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding that charge and your rights, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on February 2nd, 2025? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Other than the fact that you're driving legally, what should I know? You working? Where do you work? How long you been with Fords? Okay, good. How's it going? Good, good. What are you working? 6 days, 7 days?
2 days tonight. I will see shift.
That's kind of hard. Yeah, yeah. How long is that gonna last? Yeah. All right. All right. Anything else I should consider?
License was suspended. My understanding is for an unpaid ticket out of Lincoln Park, took care of it immediately, Your Honor. Got the license back. She's working a bunch. I'd ask that we take that into account, Your Honor. She has the ability to pay.
Good.
We get support program
Yep.
dates. She is with her C schedule and kid, it's gonna be rough.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. When do you set your schedule? Because it sounds like your days off change from time to time.
No, I have the same schedule.
Okay, all right. And how many kids? Youngest is how old? Oldest is how old? Okay, all right.
Single mother.
Yeah. All right, I'll tell you what I'll do. Instead of the work program, which I said is an alternative to jail, I'm going to order community service for you, which is charity work. With kids that age, if you get inventive, you'll find someplace where you can take kids. They think you're just taking them somewhere fun, but you're volunteering and getting some hours. All right. It's going to take a little bit more thinking, but you can probably do it. So instead of the 4 days on the work program, I'm going to give you 30 hours of community service. You're welcome. I'm going to give you until August 1 to do that. So it's got to be a nonprofit, registered with the IRS. We've got a list downstairs that are pre-approved. You don't have to use them. You can find something on your own, but make sure it's an IRS registered nonprofit. If you don't work off our list and you want to make sure, have us pre-approve it before you put the time in. All right. And on the money, you're on a payment plan now? Are you on a payment plan with us now at 50 a month?
Yeah, wait for this,
Yeah, you can just roll it all in. Okay, so on this one, we got late fees, so it's $600 fines and costs. So you can like I said, you can roll that right into your payment plan or go down and talk about other options. We've got some time options on that too. Questions? Good luck.
Thank you.
Counsel, you ready on Hinson?
Morning, 64917, here today on behalf of Ms. Henson, Your Honor, there was a couple separate matters. We've got a Belleville case and a Romulus case.
Okay. Yeah, one of them,
So with the Belleville case, Your Honor, is a 27.
yep, that's going to be an impeding.
Yeah, you've been able to resolve that case, Your Honor. The prosecutor willing to dismiss the original and pleading responsible.
Yep.
She's been advised of the rights.
Is the other one a motion?
We are looking to set her into the Operation Drive.
Oh, okay, I couldn't,
September 1st. Yeah, my writing's horrible.
yeah, but, yeah.
A couple of outstanding matters. She would be greatly benefited by
Yeah.
that. program.
yeah, we can do that. You want to do 9:50 still, or you want to change the date or time? All right, so that's going to be September 1, 10 a.m. That works? All right. And on the other file, you're pleading responsible to impeding traffic, yes? All right. I will dismiss the misdemeanor that was issued on September 25, 2017. Fines and costs, $180. Can you pay that today, or do you need to talk about options? Sure. Yeah, just, you don't have to go down and talk options, just come back with the money. All right, any questions? You're good. Have a good weekend.
Appreciate it.
I'll give you a notice.
So, yeah, that date.
Oh.
Thank you.
Is it Bandlian? Did I say it right? Come on up.
Freddie Robert, good morning. It's in Q, 64917, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Go.
Your Honor, these are time days ago from pre-trial. We were asking for an additional pre-trial, so I think my hands on the discovery. I'm unable to resolve this today.
9/1, 10 a.m. All right, just have a seat. We'll get your notice, Mr. Bandlian. And Lyles, Donovan Lyles?
Freddie Robert. Good morning. It's in Q, 64917, we have the defendant, Mr. Lyles, who, on my love, Mr. Lyles, can you please double get your name? Donovan Lyles.
Thank you.
It's scheduled for pretrial, and in the pretrial case, we have a resolution subject to this court's approval. Defendant will be pleading guilty to count of operating a visibly impaired. The original operator with toxic IBAC would be dismissed. He has been advised of his rights, in particular his rights to trial, which to defend himself.
I think he talks faster than I do.
But it's okay because I catch.
You can hear him, though.
Yeah.
Can you guys do that?
Yes, I do. I catch it. So I know what I need
He
to.
speaks clearly,
Yeah.
but fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you go over your rights? You understand those rights?
Yes.
Understand the options those rights give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for impaired driving? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to impaired driving? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, were you in Romulus, driving a vehicle in Romulus on December 19, 2025? Prior to driving, did you drink some alcohol?
Yes.
And did you take a breath test or a blood test?
Blood.
Do you know what the results were?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel? I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss the original one. All right, Mr. Lyles, I'm gonna send you, you're already on a personal bond, so I'm gonna send you down to probation. You're gonna schedule to come back and be interviewed, or actually they're doing it on Zoom, I think. And they'll tell you when you're coming back for sentencing. Based on your interview, probation will prepare a report and a recommendation of sentencing. You'll have a chance to go over that report with counsel when you come back for sentencing. I will have looked at that report. Then we're gonna talk about whatever you guys want to talk about before I sentence. Understood? Questions? Yeah.
Miles was hit by a car. I don't know if you recall the last pre-trial meeting.
I recognize his face, but I don't remember the circumstance.
There's a bunch of stuff going on. He is going to have additional surgeries. He doesn't have them scheduled.
Okay.
Upcoming. He is on the east
Yeah.
side. If there is an issue with that, would it be possible if I were to reach out to the court for doing a Zoom hearing for the sentencing, if in fact he's unable?
I can do that. Yeah, I don't like it, but we can do that.
I
Yeah.
appreciate
Yeah.
that as well.
Yeah.
So I'll be in touch, and if there's an issue, I'll.
Yeah. Just contact probation and we'll work it out. Yeah, so as soon as you know when you're scheduled, let him know. All right, good luck. All right. Go downstairs. Yep, go talk to probation. You're welcome. Counselor, are you ready on Tavares? Did I say it right? Come on up, counsel.
Morning, Your Honor, Congressman 4826 I'm appearing with Mr. Carlos Tavares. I have had an opportunity to help him, or Mr. Tavares, so please state your name for the record. Carlos Tavares.
Thank you.
Prosecutor, we are prosecutor has agreed to plead down the driving license suspended to a allowing versus
Yep.
and to dismiss the civil infraction on this for the stop sign.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tavares, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understood all that? You understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? And understanding that, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 11, 2026 while your license was suspended? I'll accept your plea to that, dismiss both the original charges. You working? Where do you work? Say it again? Property maintenance. How long you been with them? Good. And what's the status of your license? What do you gotta do to get back? Okay, all right. So little advice you didn't ask for. Hire an attorney that does license restorations because you might, it'll cost you money, but it'll save you time. All right. My experience has been most people that try to do it without an attorney, they waste that first hearing date and the hearing officer says, okay, looking good, do all this stuff and come back in 6 months. All right. Whereas the attorney that practices in that area can get all your ducks in a row before you go in for your hearing. Okay. Anything else before I sentence?
Well, Your Honor, the reason actually that I advocated for a local lawsuit because he advised me based on the attorney he did hire previously.
Good.
Like that. Then every time he gives a ops, they I guess there is 4 years.
Sure. Sure.
So
This won't do that.
so this last lawsuit is only 23, 24.
Yep.
So she'll get it by then.
Yep. All right. Good luck. All right. Anything else?
No.
Okay. All right. On this file, Mr. Tavares, $500 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. I assess work program as an alternative to jail. We run that 6 days a week right now. You pick which 4 days you want to work. As to the money, can you pay it today or you need to talk about options? Today? All right. Go downstairs, take care of the money. The cashier will smile at you and then schedule your days. Any questions? Good luck with that license.
Thank you.
Turner.
The house and Tooks is over with.
Should I get up there? Okay.
Morning, in Your Honor. Alex Move 4657. On behalf of Shirley Turner, would you please state your name for the record?
Thank you.
Yes, there's two options here. There's regular pretrial where to allowing a suspended person to drive and pre-hearing on the proof of insurance. Miss Turner wants to avail herself. I've had a chance to pre-try in case of the prosecutor. Ms. Turner wants to avail herself of the offer. Had reviewed her advice and rights with her as to.
All right. You understand your rights? Understand the options I give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Okay. On April 9, 2026, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while you were not licensed to do so? I'll accept your plea, dismiss the civil infraction. What do you need to do to get your license? Have you started the process? This Wednesday? Good luck. So if you pass the road test, then what? You get your license? You're almost there then. You've been practicing? Okay. All right, you working? When's the last time you worked? All right, where were you working then? How long were you at McDonald's? Okay, how come you're not working now? Okay, childcare. Yeah, how many kids? Okay. All right, Ms. Turner, usually I would order 4 days on the work program on this file, but with the kids and the current transportation issues, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to order charity work. So I'm going to give you until August 1 to complete 30 hours of charity work and document it to the court. That means nonprofit registered with the IRS. We've got a list downstairs that are pre-approved. You can use that or you can find something on your own. Understood? The fines and costs are $500. Go downstairs and pay it or make arrangements to pay it. They'll tell you what all your options are on that. Any questions? Good luck. Actually, I'm going to do you a solid. How confident are you about Wednesday?
Oh.
You bring me a valid license within 30 days and you won't have to pay that $500.
Sweet.
So within 30 days, you either pay the 500 or show me that you got your license. All right, got it? Did you think anybody was going to pay you to get your license? Good luck. You're welcome. Counsel, I think that's it right now.
No, I heard a couple others. No.
Oh, they might be adjournments. They're just adjournments. I don't talk to them unless they gotta be arraigned.
You-
So you're waiting for an adjournment? Just wait for your notice, you two? We're just getting you a notice.
And you'll get yours before you leave.
Okay, there should be one other.
Name? What's the name?
Yeah, it was an adjournment.
Oh, you already gave that out?
I already gave it to the defendant. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Oh, I.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sorry, okay. So they did need to wait to get their next date, but they don't have to come on the record.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Mr. Shemke, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who do you want to start with?
Dealer's choice, Judge. Yeah, Mr.
I've
Wilson.
got
and
Wilson, I've got the Wilson file in front of me. How's that?
Very good, Judge. Ready.
All right, Mr. Wilson, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, would you waive formal reading for Mr. Wilson?
Yes, good morning, Judge. Christopher Shemke, appearing on behalf of my client P74025. This time we waive formal reading. My client stands mute.
All right, so we're looking at a probable cause conference date. This would be June 30 with Judge Martin. That's going to be on Zoom, Mr. Wilson. Counsel, did you see the bond rec from the department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's talk about that.
Your Honor, my client indicates that he will appear to any and all future court dates. I saw that his prior is 10 plus years old. He has a strong family support system. He works with his father when he can. He does indicate that he does have a disability. I respectfully request any leniency when determining an appropriate bond.
All right. Mr. Wilson, what's your dad do?
He owns his own construction, building company.
All right, so when your body will let you, you're working with him?
Yes.
Okay. All right, no other pending charges, counsel? No other warrants?
Not to my knowledge, Judge.
All right, Mr. Wilson, I'm going to give you a chance to do this the easy way. I'm going to Going to start with a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for your court date when you're supposed to. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means no alcohol and no marijuana. Can you live with those rules?
I can live with that.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $10,000 if you mess up on bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you screw that up, you go back to jail and you have to come up with 10,000 cash to get out. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Romulus.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Shemke, you ready for Randolph?
I am, Your Honor.
Could we have Randolph step up? Counsel, your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke, appearing on behalf of my client. It's time we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom. As the arraignment, we waive formal reading. My client stands mute.
Thank you. Ms. Randolph, you can hear us all right?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
All right, I entered a not guilty plea for you. Pretrial date's gonna be June 30th with Judge Martin. That'll be at 9 a.m. on Zoom.
Okay.
All right, counsel, let's talk bond.
Your Honor, my client indicates that she does have alternative lodging. The alleged altercation took place with her significant other. They reside together, but she has a friend that she could stay with in Detroit. She's not working now, but she indicated she just finished dental school, so she is going to be looking for gainful employment. And per her statement, she's not on probation or parole and will appear at any future court dates. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Miss Randolph, if I order no contact with Mr. Malmston, I mean no contact, that like you forget he exists. No phone calls, no letters, no social media contact. Your friends don't check on him for you. You run into him at Burger King, you're eating at Taco Bell. He tracks you down and says, baby, let's get together and have coffee. Let's talk about all this. He can't change that order, only myself or another judge. You understand what I mean by no contact?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you live with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble. Second one, you show up for your court date on Zoom. And third, no contact. Don't go back to that address and no contact with him. If you need to go back to that address to pick up some personal property, you can make arrangements with the PD. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions for your attorney or myself before we terminate the meeting?
No.
All right. Thank you, Van Buren.
Thank you, have a good day.
You as well. Thank you, Mr. Shemke.
My pleasure. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
But it's possessed money.
You know, you're gonna, yes, this
The
is.
civil infraction's done. Only other issue. He,
Yeah, and
you got that.
yeah, it shows that you paid $245 and that's what's gonna be
Good, that's all I
applied
wanted
if
to
you
make sure.
close.
Okay, thank you.
Or did you tell us?
Just two increments. No, that, whatever the.
Yeah, it's whatever,
Thank you, that's
the
different.
bond posted is.
Okay, what-
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, yeah, you are ready.
Henderson and Williams.
Henderson and Williams.
Thank you.
Henderson.
Have a green yard.
Henderson doesn't need to be. Williams is the next one.
Yes.
Looking. Gabrielle. We don't need to arraign either one of them. Ladies, just have a seat until we get you your notice for your new court date. Oh, Miss Henderson, you owe us money. Are you on a payment plan? No, you don't owe us money. You got another court date coming up next week. You know about, who's Henderson? You know about that one? How's the crowd out there?
It's narrowing down a bit now. We have a rate of 11 or something, right?
One, no, two, right? Juvenile? Juvenile's a two, I think.
Ms. Henderson, did you go downstairs and check in?
Yes.
And I think Patterson's got a juvenile or two this afternoon as well. So what day was it? You had like everybody showed up?
Our last PCC day.
Didn't happen today.
No, never does on a regular. Who's ever getting warrants has become a problem, so can you please make sure that if somebody comes in with warrants that they're paid for? Yeah, they're all of them. Thank you.
All right, so they're giving you credit for the fact that the mics worked today.
Oh, nice. I'll take that.
Okay, I did see the pet rocks and I have to admit, I'm old school. I like pet rocks that look like rocks.
That problems.
One of our YouTubers' office where she works has 3 pet rocks in a little habitat.
I'd be considering it. Okay.
I mean, if kids come into the office, they probably find it funny. I mean, they're cute, but you know, the original rock was a rock.
These ones have refrigerators and couches and.
Yeah, it's a habitat.
I just didn't want it. I'm on the same.
A habitat is trees and
No,
grass.
You know, when you were little, you had a gerbil, and you had a gerbil habitat, and it was no tree. It was all that plastic tunnels and the exercise wheel.
But it was still up there.
Yeah.
And these are still. So.
But somebody's making them in because they're selling Little Rock furniture or Little Rock everything.
Well, this country, you know,
You can sell anything. You know, got the right marketing thing. I'm a big capitalist. I'm a fan, so.
No, it works for me. I just know in other countries where they're not so fortunate, you get the rocks thrown right back at you.
There used to be a comedian I used to hear on the radio around Christmas time, and they play and he had a song about Christmas. It's kids from all around the world asking Santa for gifts. You know, the kids in the US rattling off their big list of toys. This is, you know, this is Sajid from Pakistan. I want a stick. But, cause I mean, third world countries,
Yeah,
they just want anything.
cause that stick, they're gonna play ball with.
Yeah, and then our kids are just like,
A long list of, yeah.
you know.
And there's the other one.
Thank you.
Just make sure I'm not missing it.
I'll check.
There we go, please.
No kids here. These rocks just let everyone know that the nurses here are unhinged. Don't mess with us. Oh, it's funny. Have a good day, folks. She says they're real rocks. They don't look like real rocks.
Whose name, that, property was,
Johnny Clarkus,
okay, he's all set.
you're all set, they're applying the bond and we're, taking it off your driving record.
So the whole ticket that I paid was covered,
Yep, it covers this one, you're all set.
almost, thank you so much.
Thank you, have a good day.
Have a good day.
2000
Jamie, you missed it. She said, with no kids in this office, the rocks are just to let people know that the nurses that are work here are unhinged. Don't mess with us.
Something like this.
Don't, just go. You've been doing so well. You haven't cranked her up yet today.
Brought that snack, it didn't work perfect.
Take a hint.
Can I steal those two arraignment files from you?
Yes.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. I hope this. Angela,
Yes.
How'd that go?
Wayne County Sheriff, Miss, Deputy Jefferson.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
didn't, apparently she didn't get my email that said that hers was being adjourned or the email with the subpoena that said it was in person.
Okay.
Do you want to bring her in and we can tell her?
I'm gonna share out there.
The sheriff is on our Romulus file, Romulus Wayne County.
And they have to agreement.
Yes. Did you want to take her to breakout room, Angela? And
Yeah, I can do
and
that.
I mean, maybe you can work something on
Maybe
nothing.
Okay, yeah, let me grab her and I'll fill her in.
Thank you. Judge, so they said one is a salt rock, one is an amethyst, and one is a quartz. They are very real.
Oh, okay. They don't look like on a picture.
No, no. Jimmy's on.
Who's he making fun of? Joe?
He just said hi, Heather, Jackie's brother.
He mentioned that someone, he mentioned he's got his own little podcast.
Oh, does he? I don't think I will ever eat one of those things this other way again. That was pretty awesome.
Oh, yeah, with the butter. Oh, I guess.
Toasted.
I mean, that's a complete, toasting is a completely game.
Yes.
Okay, so she had a second that we did not, which I didn't realize.
Yeah.
I thought there was only two. I thought she had one. I thought Sergeant Postat had one.
Oh, no,
She had two.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, but that person's not here yet. Yes, so we'll give them a couple minutes and see what happens.
Yeah.
Cause yeah, this.
So I think Liz agreed to show the new some pizzas.
Okay, good. Nice. Where did you'll be for that day? Which July 9th is a very, very day, you know, Judge has his future filings.
Yes.
There's one conference.
In person.
In person, some.
Like saying.
You know, and then she's coming back.
And she called it out. Constant.
Yeah. And she's coming in the fall too with another this.
Liz was gonna come, they were chattering, playing. Remember how far we'll be a judge and tell Judge Dan? And that's what he called about.
Oh.
Judge Dan and Judge DeSanto. So I checked their both.
Yeah.
And I was doing golf outing.
Okay.
And I talked to Liz last night.
Okay. Do you want to come over?
Walk forward.
Yeah.
I'll take a break and you know, staff.
Right.
Sit down and have lunch with him.
Yeah.
I didn't know that there was anybody yesterday. Did you do something with the microphone?
Oh, how bad I am?
No, they were so good yesterday.
What?
You know, somebody else said that, didn't they?
It was the first time I've ever been able to because usually I can't hear Emily on Zoom. I was able to hear Emily
I don't get that.
for the first time in my lifetime.
Oh, you know, Fred did, because I called him and complained very early.
Uh-huh.
And he came in and he said he was turning up the in-courtroom lights. And people
That was the first,
Oh, okay.
yeah, it was,
It's whatever he did.
whatever he did worked, and I was able to hear everything.
Even the podium?
Yeah, the podium and those things, I could hear both Nate and Emily and, yeah, everything. So that is the fix, so let's never.
Last of them, what, it's hyphenated, what is it, ma'am?
This is Norton, Cassidy.
Oh, Norton. And this one here, just in Davis is just in the turn.
Mr. Q coming back in, I assume.
I'm sorry?
Jim's coming back in, I assume.
Yes, he was going to.
Counsel, you ready on Norton?
Good morning, it's in QMP 64917, appearing to have Mr. Norton standing to my left. Mr. Norton, please state your name.
Yes, it is.
This time they scheduled for pre-trial, and then the pre-trial case, that's the city attorney, the other resolution subject. The defendant is pleading guilty and had a count of operating while intoxicated with the understanding that the original operating. IPC was dismissed. Your Honor, she has been advised of what's the rest of trial, who stood himself on that plea today.
Good. You understand your rights? Understand the options those rights present to you? And understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle on 12/20/25 in Romulus after you consumed alcohol? Did you take a breath or blood test? And was the test at the hospital more than 0.17?
Stipulated for plea purposes, Your Honor, to a .2.
All right. You're satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied too. I'll dismiss the original charge. I'm going to send you downstairs right now to make an appointment with probation to be interviewed. Based on the interview, they're going to put together a report and recommendation for sentencing. You'll have a chance to go over that paperwork with counsel when you come back for your sentencing. I will have looked at it, then we'll talk about whatever you want to talk about before I sentence. Understood? Any questions? You're all set?
Okay.
Let's have this adjournment here, but it's to be.
Let's see if there's anything in there. No, probably don't need to.
I'll take care of it. Thank you.
All right, ready on Currington. Come on up, sir.
Morning, human piece of one around southern parent. She currently voted my lawsuit, please take nine, where you're going to the third, and if you, Your Honor, prosecutors move to dismiss the case, we're not going to stand against that.
Mr. Currington, that's okay with you?
Yes.
All right, good news, bad news. The good news is I'm going to dismiss this charge. The bad news is you owe us money on some other stuff.
It should be a ticket, though.
Yeah, it looks like 2023 Romulus impeding traffic, 276. Are you in a position to get some payment plans set up on that?
Yeah, I do a payment plan.
All right, go downstairs and talk about your options. You're welcome.
On Davis.
No. Those two women have been sitting out there all
I thought I had another one. I don't. I'm literally, you say, hey, what are you doing?
I just thought you were taking a chance to read your notes.
Well, that's the generous way of thinking about it. I'll be right back. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, straight outside the door. Miss Nord, you're okay. You're just like, no. Because he's scrambling. Go downstairs to probation counter. They'll schedule you to come do your interview. Have a good day, ladies.
Are you waiting for an attorney?
Yeah, Tim told me to follow that inside here.
What's your name?
Jason.
What is the last name?
Jason Clark, Westy, CARD. I do the.
German.
Was it pulled over there? CARD.
What were you doing? Do you know?
Did you take a plea or you were adjourning for a new hearing?
Okay. I don't have paperwork yet. I got your file, but I don't have your paperwork yet. We'll get you out of here.
It was Mr. Keelan that you were talking to?
Yeah.
I would, as he was scrambling, looked like he thought he knew he had somebody else, so see.
He might have the paperwork that I'm looking for. Yeah. It's organized chaos, but it's chaos. Okay. Guess I just didn't give this life back.
Yeah, they didn't. Mhm. And that messes up,
Yeah,
like,
yep. Who did you talk to about the warrants not getting cleared?
sorry.
Who did you talk to earlier about the warrants not getting cleared?
There was 4 of them today.
Yeah, so the way he shows up on the ticket is Jason Michael Lamar Card Wesley, no hyphens.
Yeah, so they just download it the way that
Yeah.
it is.
Which would we,
Yeah.
yeah, we gotta do that, right? Yeah.
But it just messes with our system.
Natalie?
Yes.
Thanks.
Card Wesley,
No. Saw him out there. I don't know if Mr. Green was handling her.
no, he said that you told, oh, okay, you guys.
So I did overwrite the seat, Scott. All it was, ran to the top of something. So
Oh, okay.
Miss Alexander, can you pay the 195 today?
Council.
Oh, I'm sorry, council.
Share your voice, please.
Sure. Put your appearance on.
What else? P 8643.
Yeah, and you've got authority to take care of this plea like this? All right, so July 3,
Who is it?
Alexander, civil infraction. All right, you're all set. You're welcome.
So
Name?
Shaft.
John.
It is
No, Joseph. That would be good.
gotta sing the song.
What you got?
Council, your appearance for Shaft.
Good morning, Robert. Thank you. This is on behalf of Mr. Sheff. Yeah, my love, Mr. Sheff, would love to know your name.
Joseph, there is,
Good morning.
Dates, the time and date scheduled for arraignment, pretrial, I believe, as it relates to Raymond Lewick on reading, plead not guilty. Prosecutors agreed to dismiss the case, subject to a plea responsible to double parking, agreed upon fines that cost $300. I've been authorized to accept that plea to the defendant that's alleged of proven city wrongness.
Okay. When can you pay the 3?
um,
Calendar over there if that helps you. Keep in mind that the misdemeanor doesn't get dismissed until we get to $300. So tell me when you can do it.
but is that beyond my record? He's on.
It's just gonna be on hold until you get the $300 paid.
Probably within the next 30 days.
July 19th or 17th, the Friday? You can do that?
Yeah.
Okay, you all set? Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on Leach?
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowditch appearing on behalf of and Mr. Leach and Virgin. Sir, could you tell us your name to the record, please?
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date time set for written in this matter, with the reading schedule. Also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor, and execute the plea, subject to the plea. In that agreement, Mr. Leach is going to plead guilty to the handicap allowing an unlicensed driver to drive his vehicle with the understanding that the charge would be this.
All right, Mr. Leach, you understand your rights? Understand the options they present? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge of allowing? Understanding all of this wonderful information, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today freely and voluntarily? Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on September 28, 2017? We got a lot of old files today. You notice that?
Mhm.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus that day? Okay. So did you drive a vehicle on September 28, 2017 in Romulus? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss both the originals. What should I know about Mr. Leach before I sentence?
Yes, this was a 9-year-old case, yes, wasn't it?
Good. Working, sir?
Yeah.
Where do you work? What do you do? All right, pretty busy right now? All right, anything else you want me to know before I sentence you? All right, normally, Mr. Leach, I would order 4 days on the work program on this file, but I don't want you coming up here from Ohio for that. So I'm going to convert the 4 days work program, which is an alternative to jail, to 30 hours community service. You can do that down in Toledo. It means charity work. So you hook up with some nonprofit that's registered as a nonprofit with this IRS. Document those hours between now and August 1, 30 hours. Fines and costs $6.95. Can you pay that today or do you need to talk options?
You posted bond, Chuck?
What do we got?
I have 500 on.
All right, so you owe us $195. You got that today?
I think they charge, $10,000.
Yeah, so do you have the 17,425 page for that?
Yeah, so they go on civil infractions. Oh, okay. All right, so he'll get money back today. So make a note, we'll send that over to this one so we can pay this one off. All right, so you posted the bond though, right? Your name? Yeah, so you'll get some money back today. Just hang out by the cashier and they'll give you some money. Understand how the 30 hours works? Any questions? You're all set.
Joe, what's the name?
The last name is Kellis.
Hey.
Give the cat.
I'm gonna take a couple of hours. Is that okay?
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I can go to.
All right, as long as he has a letter. And he say.
You want it? Oh, we're calling it? Is it gonna be real quick? All right. Edward Kellis.
Angela Manning on behalf of the people here on today's the date and set for a formal hearing. I did have Deputy Jefferson on Zoom. I checked with the code officer, Mr. Kellis, has not checked in.
Scheduled at. All right. Done. And let the deputy get out of here. Thank you, Dep. Be safe.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Bowditch, you ready on Macintosh? You too, deputy.
And Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowers, appearing on behalf of Mr. McIntosh. Sir, can you check the name, Brett, please?
Freddie McIntosh.
Thank you.
You're. You also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor, next. Allowing unlicensed drivers to drive a vehicle with the understanding.
All right, Mr. McIntosh, Mr. McIntosh, you understand your rights and options? And you understand the possible penalty for allowing a licensed driver to operate?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on February 4, 2026 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea to that added charge, dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence?
Mr. McIntosh came in and hadn't had his license for a while, and I gave him some homework. Believe it or not, he did it.
You got it back?
License.
Oh, driving test. Good luck. Good luck. All right, you working, sir?
Yes, body care work.
Doing what?
Body care.
Oh, okay. I thought you said body care work. I'm like, well, that could be a lot of things. Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider?
Maybe a payment plan and
Yeah, we'll work with you on money. That's easy.
community service.
Okay. Okay. So let me ask you, how long were you unlicensed?
Ooh,
Long time?
back 8 years ago. I haven't been driving. That was, yeah, long time ago.
All right.
Yeah,
He did quite a bit of homework to do, you know.
that's right.
All right. So I'm in recognition of that, I'm not going to give you any time. I'm just going to hit you with money and we'll work with you on that. So it's $500. Go down and talk about the options on that. Like I said, we'll work with you forever on that. All right. Any questions? You all set?
Thank you, Ron.
Think it's, it gets more to.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Jamie, these two women have been sitting straight outside my doors for a long
I
time.
have counsel here, their counsel is speaking to the prosecutor. And, forgot the last name of that part of it.
Well, tell the attorney.
I don't know if it's Judge Patton's.
Oh, it's not mine? Never mind.
It might be Judge, I'll check.
Oh, now I'm starving.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna take it home. You wanna make it? Of course, I don't have to back it too. You toast it, butter it, sit there and eat it while I read my book. Looks like it's nice out.
Yeah, it does.
And did we get a freaking storm last night?
We.
My driveway is covered with limbs. Like
Really?
all the poplar trees, just the limb tip broke off. Of course, it was dark when I left the house, but I gotta check when I get home because I gotta have limbs out the back, like bigger limbs. Who's this Alex? What was his last name? This friend?
Alex.
Green? He's got to speed up.
But when you look up his name in like the Barton or like in RGIS, his last name is actually, I think he's the fifth.
Okay.
So it comes up IB Green, comma, L. So I'm looking up Green and I can't find him. I'm not looking on the right way. Obviously, or download from the Barton.
Yeah. Hopefully he catches on by watching the other guys. 'Cause I don't need you to talk.
When we first came here, he was.
Wasn't.
Last name Walker.
Walker?
Yes. Exact part we just spoke.
9 a.m.
You get him to come in early so he can quickly. Yeah, she'll be great.
Oh, well, are you talking Cinderella? No, that one's not yours.
Oh, that's,
You're talking Patton.
yeah, it's Patton, that's not Parker.
No, yeah.
Misha.
Thank you.
All right, counsel, are you on Walker? Your appearance, please. All right. And good morning. I understand that Ms. Walker is going to plead guilty to operating while intoxicated, and both original charges from January 28 would be dismissed. All right, go ahead and put your record or appearance on.
Well, on behalf of the city.
Okay. All right, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Ms. Walker, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights? Understand the options presented? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? The added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that added charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Belleville on January 28, 2026? Before you drove, did you drink alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? And do you know what the results were? Could you tell me? Satisfied with the plea, counsel? So am I. I'll accept the plea to the intoxicated driving charge, dismiss both the originals. I'm going to send you downstairs now to talk to probation. You'll find out when you're going to have an interview. Based on an interview with the probation officer, they'll put together a report and a probation recommendation. Counsel, why don't you go down and pick a sentencing date? So when you come back, you and counsel have a chance to go over that report and recommendation. I will have looked at it. Then we'll have a conversation about whatever you two want to talk about, and then I'll sentence you at that time. Do you understand all that? Any questions? Has she been arraigned, counsel? No, I need to set a bond. You're not going to talk me out of a personal, are you?
I'm going to ask for leave from one person.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The first two conditions are pretty obvious. Number one, you stay out of trouble. Number two, show up here when you're supposed to be here. The third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So that takes out no marijuana, no alcohol. Understood? Do you have any questions about any of that? Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions now? Go on downstairs and talk to probation. Have a good day, ladies.
Adios. Thank you. Good seeing you. Take care.
I realize when I go out there, that's weird. I said, what's going on? What was you? Yeah, I go, Judge, watch me. Well, what? I said, this is a 9 to 8. Judge knows that we belong here. Okay, we're coming in. I said, is that what you? I need left there. Well, what do you want me to do? I says, I work for Judge Oakley. Giving you a hint, we need to go upstairs. Prosecutor Copy was going in right now.
And,
She's the experienced doctor. She's late. She's
And-
doing.
and you don't care that your client's been sitting out here for 2 hours.
That, she did this too, and I think they got on the journal, because she took so long.
And she actually questioned it, what's the problem? She says, I work for Judge Oakley. I don't work for you.
Yeah.
So,
Last name is West.
West, like the Compass Point.
Last name's Carter.
Correct. So I've seen it's a hyphenated.
Oh, see?
C-A-R-D.
I've got another West in here. I've got that file pulled already.
Yeah, this is Wesley.
Yeah, Card Wesley. His mother couldn't make a decision because his mother gave him a lot of names.
Oh, man.
They couldn't agree, so they gave them all to you. I bet you had a hell of a time in school, right? When you had to fill out those forms. All right, counsel, tell me about it.
We're here today to complete all of these part of the rain and what. Yeah, it would be way probably. Judge, I've been able to try to get talk to her a few times.
Good.
This is the original charge, I'm understanding, defendant. No contest to the adequate feelings report.
No contest?
That's gonna be the reason with the civil liability, we would rely upon the amended ticket to provide a basis, it's it being in Romulus. The report on the accident, we would not stand against that.
Yeah, I think the ticket has the information I need.
And he's been advised of his rights, in particular his trial rights, your honor, which is with help, so he's never been in trouble.
Okay. All right. Sir, you understand when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge. All right. So if I get the facts I need and I just looked at the ticket, it has the facts, then I can accept your plea and then we sentence just as if you pled guilty, just doing it without an admission. Understood? All right. And you've discussed your rights and options with counsel. You understand all that? And you understand the possible penalty for fail to report? And you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily, correct? Okay. I'm good. I saw the facts I need. I can dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence? None?
Worked at the airport for 12 years, your honor. On the night of this incident, actually stopped, exchanged information with the other driver.
Just didn't call the cops.
They examined the vehicle, there was very minimal damage.
Yep.
Seeking after justification. Based upon that, your honor, he failed to report. He
Yep.
never did anything like this before, he won't do it again. He's embarrassing.
You learned a hard lesson. You know what happened? The other driver went home and talked to somebody and they said, you got to call the cops. That's what happened. That's almost always what happens. All right. Anything else? $200. Can you pay it today?
We'll be able to pay it next week.
Go downstairs and set up options. Yep. Good luck.
Probation didn't pull a mark to found file over there, so they just, the guys downstairs letting them payment plan on probation. They noticed the warrant wrong was, they're gonna send them off, and it's such a straight, yeah.
That's fine. Who you got?
Gomez, Belton.
Gomez, hyphenated?
Looks like,
Yep, got it. Who else?
and the next one is Lamar Smith.
Yep. All right, on Gomez Beltran. Oh, just an adjournment council? All right.
Okay.
Yeah, just adjourn. Just sit down. We're going to get you a written notice for your next court date. Oh, that's handy.
And if you're in for a bench.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Smith. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Smith.
457, appearing with Lamar Smith to my left. Mr. Smith, would you state your name for the record?
Name is Lamar Smith.
Hello.
So, I had a chance to, pre-try the, case process, well, essentially, and, we're gonna, avail ourselves of the deal, the offer, which would be to plead to the civil infraction of parking, $150.
Okay, that's your agreement?
Yes.
Can you pay the 150 today?
Not today, but
Calendar on the wall, if you can see that far. Tell me when you want to pay it.
I got, during that, my child support checks is kind of getting garnished right now, Georgia, I got work from a couple days, I just need them to take a set payment.
Tell me when. Tomorrow's Friday the 19th. Can you do it next Friday? All right. On or before next Friday at 3. You're welcome.
It's just unfortunate that he's lived in several different states and just wasn't aware, I guess, that.
Yeah, I see what you said.
I
moved back home about 4.5 years ago. I've been out of town for a little.
Well, welcome home. Have a good one. You're all set. Just come back with your cash.
I'll take paperwork here in 2 seconds.
Interesting.
There is to the answer. Okay, this is like you understand. Okay, good, okay.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, Harvey.
Okay.
Supreme Court just ruled that using marijuana alone is not enough for the legal rights to kill firearms. Because it's still federally, right? Control. No, they lowered its class.
Right, that's what's the difference, so it's not.
What's
Yes, they not.
the name you just gave me? Oh, that's the guy they're sending out. So I don't have a file, they're sending the file up.
That's it for me today, Judge Oakley.
I don't know. Check with the guys before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
good to see you.
Same here. Have a great day.
Oh, she's on, she's.
Which is why it's 4:150. Google.
When Google, I watch you. I don't think so. I think she was removed. I'm not sure, but I think,
I was just doing some based on,
yeah, I think,
I thought it was,
I think if you Google this,
Oh.
I think there's some news stories. I think.
I'll have to double check. But
Talk to TVG next time because she's political enough to remember.
yeah, I know, because she pulls names out of like, and she's like, no, you don't want to do that, because then you'll be like so-and-so. And
Yeah.
yeah, but I don't know who that is.
Yeah.
I'm like, I need the backstory. Yeah, because she knows everything about,
Well, she's a political junkie.
no, I know, but it's like, it's kind of impressive, the like random, like, things she'll pull out of that.
Then remembers.
Yeah, I know, yeah, I'll ask her for sure. Okay,
She is brutally
Uh,
uninformed.
we had an 11:30, but no one's here, so,
And just so you know that.
Was that a formal?
no, we had 11:30 extra.
Oh, we did. Who's that?
Evan Guyton.
Oh. Okay. Oh, and he was on. He didn't know it then.
Oh, okay, wow, no one's here. That's it.
I still got bodies out there?
I have nobody out here.
There's.
All right, thanks.
I haven't seen over there,
Okay.
but then they found out they'd arrived in the morning,
Oh, okay.
so they're bringing it up to.
Oh, okay.
To work.
Not a problem. We'll figure it out.
Fine.
Oh, bye.
Run out of bodies?
We have that one, Mackenzie, bring that file up.
But Kenzie's looking around with the file, that's, she looked at that.
Oh, no, it won't do everything.
She got him right here. FTAs.
Thanks.
Does he want, baby? But, I don't either.
It's a probation file, right?
No, no. It's a brand new file.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah, you want to find, or you want me to take it off the court office out there.
I don't know what we're doing.
Do you want to talk to an attorney or you just want to talk to the prosecutor and see if you can make a deal?
Okay.
Go talk to the prosecutor.
And drops it off at the front lawn.
Everybody had his bag or something.
Maybe.
I'm thinking he's an odd duck, just the way that whole thing went down.
Yeah.
I feel bad for Avery.
Hello? We do not, it's probably Judge Patton. Judge Patton has two juveniles, one at 2 and one at 12:30.
Who's there?
Gee. Everybody's confused because Belleville has 2 juveniles today. So if the juveniles automatically, they think it's
And
us.
in less than formal hearings,
They're
all
formals.
that, and that's the problem, because everybody's used to me being all juvenile.
Yes, yes. And they are formals.
Right,
Zach thought that thinks that he can bring everybody in early.
yeah, I heard that. He's sleeping, he's doing all right.
Yeah. He seems to me, it seems like he likes it. Him and Nick were, they're always seem very nice and simple.
What's not to like with that docket? It's not like it's a pressure docket.
Right.
I mean, what are there, 10 files if they're busy?
But then they end up with Deborah Ford at the end of the docket when I try to keep all their stuff in the beginning so he can get out, because there's only 10. And then you have her that shows up at the end.
And the worst part about that is the only way you can quote unquote punishes the client. I mean, I can make the argument it's the client's fault because the client picked the attorney, but
Okay.
thank you.
All right, Mr. Hardy, just to confirm, you're going forward today without benefit of an attorney? All right, and you met the prosecutor, you made a deal with the prosecutor, correct? Says here you're going to plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person from March 11, 2026 in Romulus, correct? Understand the possible penalty for that charge? Up to $500, $0 to $500 fines plus court costs and 0 to 90 days in jail plus jail. Understood? That's possible. All right. Understand, when we take this plea, we're going to put it on your record with Secretary of State and they may resuspend you. It's possible. You understand that? Okay. Did you read your rights form today?
No, we just read it out.
All right. You understand your rights?
Yes.
You understand the options they give you? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge? All right. Did you drive a vehicle on that date in Romulus?
Yeah.
At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Actually, never had a.
Never had one. Well, they'll suspend you because of bad driving before they give you one. Kind of weird. I can accept your plea based on those facts. and I will dismiss the original charge that had the 2 points. Are you working? Where do you work? How long have you been employed there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good, good. Full-time, keeping you busy? Good. What's the status of your license? What do you have to do to get your license straight?
My main, what's the name is, park.
Okay,
6 years,
okay.
$1,000.
Huh.
That's, I have a vehicle right now, so I'm living.
Yep. What kind of shift you working at yet?
I'm saying, 2 to 10.
2 to 10?
We open floor at 2:15.
What days?
Monday through Friday.
All right, so you got Saturdays off.
Yes,
All right. All right. So usually on this case, I'm gonna get you, because you got late fees, so usually it's gonna be $600 fines and costs, plus 4 days on the work program as an alternative to jail. I can give you a couple extra work days and a little bit less money if you want to do it that way. And I'll give you a payment plan on the money. I'm not worried about that. So you just want to do the 6 and 4 days? 604 days?
No, so I can get extra work days and then.
Yeah, for example, I'd do 406 days instead of 604 days. All right. All right, go downstairs, make arrangements on the 4 and schedule your 6. Got it? On the money and schedule your 6 days. Yeah, and if you want to just schedule 6 Saturdays, that's fine. All right, good luck. All right, see you this afternoon. Yeah.
No one showed up?
Yeah. Oh, you want to? Sure. I think it's in that pile though. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When no one cares.
I'm not gonna need that file since it's box here.
No, Heather will dismiss it. Thanks. All right, thanks, Jamie. We'll see you later.
I'll see you back here.
Have a good one, Angela.
He just. As long as you know that. But yeah, that's, I want. Well, you kind of said nobody showed.
Yeah, yeah, no one was here, but I understand. But I'll make a note just, in case they call or whatever.
Yes, that would be.
I mean, I didn't think they would, but usually when it's people who just have disagreements, they go to first after it's over.
Yes,
And it doesn't need to just take a breath before you follow things
right.
and then think about it, but that's. All right, I am out of here. Oh, well, I guess. There was one juvenile. So are they doing the juvenile?
Let me go to.
Thank you.
Oh, I keep getting up and running and I have it on this computer. I pulled that computer to here on this computer.
Okay, that's fine.